Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing of a mini 8-watt portable solar panel. In an era where renewable energy has become more important than ever, mini portable solar panels have emerged as one of the most practical innovations for everyday energy needs. Among these compact energy devices, the 8-watt mini portable solar panel stands out for its balance of portability, affordability, and efficiency. Designed for travelers, campers, hikers, and emergency preparedness enthusiasts, these lightweight solar panels provide clean energy in situations where traditional electricity may not be available. An 8-watt portable solar panel is a small photovoltaic device that converts sunlight into electrical energy. Despite its modest size, it is capable of charging smartphones, power banks, USB fans, LED lights, GPS devices, and small electronic gadgets. Many modern models are foldable, waterproof, and equipped with USB outputs, making them highly convenient for outdoor use. Products such as the 8W5VF solar panel charger dual USB port folding solar bag and the 8-watt solar panel IPX6 waterproof 5-volt monocrystalline demonstrate how manufacturers combine durability with portability for outdoor lifestyles. One of the greatest advantages of 8-watt mini solar panels is their portability. Most weigh less than 1 kilogram and can easily fit into a backpack. Foldable designs allow users to carry them while hiking or traveling without adding significant bulk. According to product specifications for the 8W5V foldable solar panel mini solar power polycrystalline, compact folding technology enables easy transport while still delivering enough energy for small devices. This makes these panels ideal for camping trips, beach outings, cycling tours, and emergency survival kits. Another important benefit is environmental sustainability. Solar panels generate electricity directly from sunlight without producing harmful emissions. Unlike gasoline generators, they operate silently and do not contribute to air pollution. As global awareness of climate change increases, portable solar technology encourages individuals to adopt greener lifestyles. Even a small 8-watt panel can reduce dependence on disposable batteries and conventional electricity for daily charging tasks. In practical use, these panels are especially valuable during outdoor adventures and emergencies. Campers can use them to power lights and recharge communication devices, while travelers in remote locations can maintain battery life for navigation tools and phones. Some products, such as the Power Plus Narwhal foldable compact solar charger, are specifically designed for mobile charging during outdoor activities. In disaster situations where electricity grids fail, portable solar panels can provide a reliable backup source of power for essential electronics. Although 8-watt panels are highly useful, they also have limitations. Their small size means they produce relatively low power compared to larger solar systems. Charging a smartphone may take several hours depending on sunlight intensity and weather conditions. Reddit discussions about portable solar use note that small panels perform best under direct sunlight and are most effective for lightweight charging needs rather than powering large appliances. Furthermore, cloudy weather, shade, and improper panel angles can significantly reduce charging efficiency. Modern technology, however, continues to improve the performance of compact solar panels. Many new models use monocrystalline or high-efficiency IBC cells, which convert sunlight more effectively than older designs. These advancements make small solar chargers increasingly practical for daily use. Hope you like this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.